How's it going, everybody? Jay with Aquastar Distributors here to talk to you about Dometic's new Max Control Natural. Today, I have the pleasure of working with the Director of Food and Beverage as well as team building activities. This is Nicky. He's actually my son. He's going to help me talk to you guys about Max Control Natural. So what is Max Control Natural? It is a marine and RV holding tank deodorant, and it has an enzymatic function in it. So it's got enzymes that work with the natural bacteria inside of your holding tank. What those enzymes are going to do is help break down the waste and paper, help keep your holding tank monitor clean, functioning properly, keep all the discharge pumps. If you have a vacuum flush system, it'll help that keep working at its best. It's available in a couple of different sizes. What do we got here, Nicky? So we have here our 1 gallon, our 32 ounce. This is a 6-pack of 4-ounce bottles. And then we also have a 12-pack of drop-in pouches. So the dosage rate on this is 4 ounces per 40 gallons. So that's perfect. You can either do half of one of these bottles or a whole. And when you go to our 1 gallon or you go to our 32 ounce, there are graduations on the side to make dosing your holding tank easier. My favorite is the 32 ounce, in my opinion. Gives you the best value, and you probably get almost a whole season depending on how you utilize your boat. Nicky, why don't you tell me what this kind of smells like?
It smells nice.
Yeah?
It smells like fluffy flowers and rain.
Fluffy flowers and rain, yeah. So it does have a light masking scent in there. Been out for about a year now. We've been very, very happy with the performance of this product. Again, bronopol and formaldehyde are not legal in certain states or counties. So California is one, and then actually Suffolk County, where our warehouse is located in New York, you're not allowed to use those products. So it's free of those. The dye in it is very light. Some holding tank deodorant products have a very strong dye. This doesn't. Another advantage to Max Control versus maybe some of our competitors is because of the enzyme, it works in a wide variety of temperatures. In very cold climates, some natural products aren't very effective, and then in some very warm climates, some of those natural products aren't effective. This has a much broader temperature range performance than a lot of our competitors' products. So if you're interested in purchasing some Max Control Natural, you can click the link down below, visit us on the web, something we always have in stock, and we'll solve your odor issues. Thanks for tuning in.
Bye.